Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look on how you can install Ghostery on Firefox. This is a real powerful add-on that can stop sites from tracking your activities, blocks ads, and also speeds up your overall pages that you are visiting, giving you a more better experience while browsing the net. To get started, you have to open Firefox first, then go to the add-ons section. So you have to click on the little three lines menu and choose add-ons and themes, and now go ahead and type Ghostery, search for that, and you have a result of all the add-ons that match this keyword. The first one that you see, Ghostery Privacy Ad Blocker, go ahead and click on this one. And as I mentioned, this is a powerful privacy extension that can block ads, stop trackers, and speed up websites. Before I jump into the details, a quick word from our sponsor today, and we'll be right back. And today's video is sponsored by ClauSAP. ClauSAP is an online service tool that can help you transfer files from one cloud provider to another. For example, if you have your files hosted on OneDrive and you wish to switch to Google Drive, that's no problem. It's all done in 3 easy steps. You need to select the folders and files that you wish to transfer, and then choose the destination where you want them to be copied. And that's it. You simply click Start, and then your files will be copied to the new cloud provider. For more information, please check the link in the description below and register for free and start migrating or transferring your files. Perfect. Now, to get started, click on Add to Firefox. Give it a couple of seconds for the add-on to download, and as you can see here, you have already perfect. Now that as you can see, now we have to add the extension. Just click on Add. There you go. Ghostery Privacy Ad Blocker was added. Click OK here. Of course, you have the free option that I strongly recommend you start with, but also you have a plus or premium version where you have a monthly or yearly tax fee, and you can see here the difference between the free one and the plus version. And what I want you to do is, let's close this up and give it a test. So as you can see, you have here the little indicator, the badge with 0 at the moment. That means that Ghostery never found at this moment any tracker that needs to block. But for example, let's choose a popular website, CNN. Full disclaimer, I have nothing with CNN, just very popular website. There you go. Of course they have an anti-ad blocker. Let's click out of this one, and as you can see here, you have 37 findings for Ghostery. And if you click on it, you will see a simple view that it blocked 22 trackers. These are the number of tracking requests by anti-tracking and ad blocking, like you saw the pop-up just appeared a second ago, and the speed of which the page loaded. Because I told you at the beginning, this also removes a couple of things from the page just to make it load quicker. So it only wants to show you the really important stuff. And you have also a detailed view here on what were the blockers, the trackers, sorry, that blocked. So you have the Amazon advertising, one tag, one cast, all sorts of, these are like ads, double click ads, trackers. So you see a really cool add-on that can really help you limit the tracking on the websites that you're visiting, but also blocks the annoying ads. Now, if you find this useful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps. Feel free to share it with somebody else, and if you like the overall content and more tips and tricks like this, please subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have other favorite privacy add-ons that you want to share with the community. And yeah, thank you again for watching, and talk to you in the next one. Bye.